Let's talk about how I keep this car clean. This is a 2024 car, and this car has never been to a professional car wash. It's all done by hand, by me. And how much does it cost? $3 on a good day, 4. This is how I keep this 4 runner TRD Pro looking clean, spotless. Where you pay $30 to get a car wash, I pay $3 and the job gets done. Now let's talk about it. I'm so good at cleaning cars. The gentleman who owns this car said, "Hey, can you keep my car clean along with my Dodge Challenger, my Scat Pack?" Of course I can. So let me show you how it's done. Number one, keeping your car clean once a week. Once a week. Rinse it, soap it, dry it. Done. Making sure that your car is clean inside and out. Vacuum. Looking for debris, trash, anything that's left in your car, clothes, books. Take it in the house, including your shoes. Now, the first thing you need to do is find a car wash that has self service with a high power spray wash like this, because you want to hit all those little dusts, bird poops, whatever you want. You just want to hit it and get it done. It doesn't take that long because this is a 4-minute wash. So let's just get it done. The most important thing is rinsing the car off. Start with soap. Soap, just soap it up. Don't forget the top. Don't forget the bottom. Start with the tires. In this case, this car is so clean, I don't have to do much because once a week, I am cleaning this car top to bottom. Get it? All right. Now that I've used the soap, I'm definitely going to use the rinse. Simple, just rinse. Never ever use that brush over there. If you use that brush, you never know who was using it before, and you might see a scratch when you leave. So you can use your own little sponge if necessary, but in the meantime, rinse it really good. You don't want no soap to dry on your car in the heat, in the sun. Rinse it absolutely good. There is something after you rinse, like a coat protection. You can use that, but my favorite one is spot free rinse. So I have about 4 minutes. This cost me about $3. I just want to take care of the front of the car. I want to take care of the back of the car. If you have a car like a TRD Pro, you can absolutely take out the mats and wash them on the spot. So you don't even need a vacuum. But the most important thing is rinsing off anything that you might see that don't belong on a nice car. Anything, anything, bird poops, drippings. I don't know. Maybe you had some ketchup on the outside. Who knows? Just clean your car. Spray it, get it done, rinse it. And of course, my favorite is spot free rinse. Sometimes you have to check what car wash you go to because some of the wash or some of the water is not soft enough. But in this case, I love this car wash. The water comes out like, woof, like little needles to the car. Not like that, soft needles. So, anyway, this is my favorite car wash. It's simple, it's done. The car is pretty much done. I'm just going over anything that if I see that needed a little bit of a scrub instead of scrubbing it, I'm just using the water. Simple, it's done. The TRD Pro is one of my favorites to wash, and it's absolutely easy. Okay, you don't need to spend 15 minutes rinsing and soaping up the car. You only need 4 minutes. All you're trying to do is rinse the car, start with soap, rinse it, spot free wash, and you're pretty much done. No brush, no nothing, just the water. That's all you need. You can do this once a week. Just rinse the car. And I'm looking for what? Anything that stands out. Everything looks good. I'm looking for scratches, any rocks that may have hit the car. I'm looking for checking for anything that needs to be technically like removed from the car. The tires are really good. I like these tires. I just really do. The rims are black, the tires is black. Now comes the fun part. A soft cloth. I mean soft. This cloth, go to Costco's. You can get these cloths, I don't know, they could run between $12 and $15 for a whole stack of 2018. Who knows? But these are my favorite. I use them on my RAV4, I use them on the Dodge Challenger, and I use them on this 4Runner. But just all you need is maybe two at a time in one hand, or you can use one and you're just wiping softly. Just wiping the car completely dry. And if you can, not circle, maybe if you can just wipe it all the way to the back. If you can, just take it all the way to the back and that drips the water. You can start from the top and then work your way down, whatever's comfortable for you. This is me just getting the car dried off. And at the same time, because the cloth is soft, it's giving it more of a soft finish so I don't have spots on it. And these are one of my favorite things to do. I mean, I love washing the car, but if you're using a soft rag, and then at the bottom, underneath the grill where you can't see what goes underneath there, just get into it and rub it all in. This is my favorite. Keeping the car clean, you almost look like glass, like you can see straight through the paint job. That's how you know it's good. Okay? Well, anyway, I just wanted to share this is how I keep the 4Runner TRD Pro clean. It's simple. Just wash it, rinse it, soap it, spot free, dry it, vacuum, and go on about your business. That's it. How you like it. Now you see, where the people that are paying $40, $50 plus a tip, this is the tip. Tip yourself $3 and go to the self car wash and get the job done and save you some money. Save you some money. You see why I'm responsible for three cars? I mean, even though this video is 10 minutes, it really did take me 4 minutes to rinse the car off. And then to dry, give it maybe about 6 minutes, give or take. It doesn't have to be perfect all the time. But what you're doing is constantly checking on the top. Do I have scratches? Did some paint fall on my car? Is this bird poop? And you're keeping the car clean. This car is a 2024. I am talking to you July 17, 2026. 2026. So that means for 2 years, who's been keeping this car clean? Angela. Without a professional, without what? Wax? Without a detail shop? Without what? Just the basic water, soap, soft towel, and a vacuum. That's all you need. Do you have $3? If you have $3, your car can look just like this, clean. And make sure it's clean in the inside. Keep everything out of your car. Nothing should be in your car but maybe like a phone charger, some gloves when you pump the gas. I hope you're using plastic gloves when you pump the gas and not your hands. Anyway, let's just get back into it. This is how I've been keeping this car clean. There are no tricks. There's nothing special. The product is soap, water, spot-free rinse, a soft cloth, and make sure you dry it and you put it back where it belongs. That's it. This is what I do, and I thought I would share it with you. So if you're interested in keeping your car clean, start today. Don't wait till it gets dirty. Keep it clean and keep your gas tank full. Why? Because you never know when you just may have to go. That's right. Sometimes you may need to pick up and run. And what better way to start with a clean car full of gas? There's a few secrets. Never let your tank get half full. Always keep it full. Keep it clean. Now look at this. That's my gym bag. There's a beach towel. That's it. There's no debris, junk inside that little box. You might have some water, some cleaners for the car, but that's it. There is no junk in this car. It's just a clean car. That's what it's supposed to be. A clean car at a car wash where you spend $3. If you're spending more than $3 to keep your car clean, try doing it yourself. All you got to do is just wipe. Wipe up, wipe down, wipe, and keep wiping. All right, I think I said enough, but I wanted to check in and remind you that keeping a car clean is the best thing that you can do. Why? Because you absolutely drive better when your car is clean. You know why? Because you want all the dirty cars to stay away from you so you drive better. All right, I think I've said too much. I just want to say thank you for watching. Maybe you'll see me at the car show, but you definitely will see me at a car wash keeping the car clean. So now I got to go clean another car.